Empanadas are the ultimate dish, blending culture, flavor, and nostalgia into one handheld pastry. Whether you're channeling the flavors of Latin America or wanting a simple snack, uh, empanadas offer something for everyone. Their versatility is legendary, yet mastering them can feel daunting. The key to a perfect empanada lies in the dough. Many home chefs struggle with consistency. Too crumbly and it falls apart. Too moist and it becomes a chewy mess. Aim for a dough that's firm but pliable. Um, um, Pro tip, use cold butter for a flakier texture. Let's talk um, fillings. Classic choices include seasoned beef, chicken, and cheese mixed with onions, olives, and peppers. Here's the step-by-step. Brown your meat, add aromatics, and let it cool. This step prevents a soggy bottom, which can be a common empanada pitfall. Assembly is the next hurdle. If your dough is too thick, the empanadas won't cook evenly. Roll it out to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Use a circular cutter to maintain uniform sizes. This ensures even cooking and a reliable presentation every time. Fill each dough circle with a spoonful of your pooled mixture. Overfilling leads to leaks, which, trust me, is a mess you don't want. Brush the edges with a beaten egg, a simple technique to help with sealing. Crimp with a fork for that classic look and feel. So here's where many beginners trip up. Baking versus frying. While frying gives a fantastic crisp, it can also mask imperfections and add unnecessary calories. Baking is more forgiving for beginners and still offers a beautiful golden finish with less guilt involved. Prepare your baking tray with parchment paper. Arrange your empanadas in space for air circulation. Brush the tops with my egg wash for a glossy golden crust. Bake them at 375 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes until golden. Watch to avoid burning, a common rookie error. Now the moment of truth, the taste test. And one bite and you're greeted with a flaky crust and a flavorful core. And here is that, notice if the seasoning is balanced. Excess filling can overshadow the delicate pastry. Another potential misstep to be mindful of. For a special flair, pair your empanadas with dipping sauces like chimichurri or a spicy aioli. Elevating the experience with sauces adds layers of flavor and is an easy way to impress guests at any gathering. For those itching to innovate, try unusual fillings like curried vegetables or sweet dessert options. Empanadas are a canvas for endless creativity. Just be aware of high moisture fillings. They can lead to a soggy disaster if not pre-cooked properly. Remember, the journey to perfect empanadas is one of practice and patience. My first batch in Portland was a disaster, but persistence leads to delightfully crispy, satisfying bites. And the more you make, the better they become. Empanadas are more than food. They're a gateway to cultures and memories. Whether you're reminiscing about travels or cultivating your culinary skills at home, each empanada tells a story. Now go out there, try these tips, and make your own delicious history.